Here I've got a total of 9 displays and 4 sources, and I want to create a video wall. There's a button up here called Video Wall. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and that takes me to the Video Wall Management page. Currently, we have no video walls created. You will always be presented with one default starting wall, which is a 1x2. We don't have a 1x2 in this system. We have a 2x4. All I simply need to do is increase the number of rows and then increase the number of columns. And now I've got a 2x4 video wall. I can go ahead and change the name of that. So I'm going to click on the name, and I'm going to say I want to call this my 2x4 main and create that. All right, so we have one video wall created. Again, VPX by itself, you can create one video wall and stretch one image across that wall. We have the WallMaster plugin installed, so I can create more video walls. So I'm going to choose the Add Video Wall, and I'm going to make a 2x2 and create that. And now you'll see there's a 2x2, and I just simply increase the rows, and I've got my 2x2. And we'll go ahead and make a 3x3 just so you get completely the idea here. Now I've got my 3 walls made. We really haven't implemented any of this. So how do you do that? You have to assign transmitters to these panel locations. So the way that you do that is you go to the available devices listing of receivers, and you click and drag the one you want into the position that you want it. And so I'll click and drag that, and now this receiver knows that it is part of a 2x4 video wall, and it is in that position. It is responsible for that display location. So I will continue to drag these in. All right, so got receiver 1 and 2, and we'll take 3 up here, and 4. As I'm dragging these in, they are automatically setting themselves to create this wall. I already had it that way, but they are dynamically saying, okay, I'm this position in this wall, and then it creates a default of one image across the whole thing, so you can visually see as an installer that this is being set up correctly. All right, so just a couple little notes here. You see I've built this with 8 receivers. I have 1 receiver left, and when I go back to the matrix page, you will now see these displays are configured as a 2x4, and I have my fake receiver sitting as its own location. That means I can have multiple video walls, and I can have multiple individual screens. Also, when you assign a receiver to a video wall, you will now see a little video wall icon appear, indicating to you quickly that all these receivers are part of a video wall and this one is not. When we look at these tabs for the different video walls, you'll notice that 2 of them are red, and that's because they're not complete. That is an indicator to you that these aren't finished, and therefore they will not appear on the user interface. I don't have enough receivers right now to populate these.